Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Vaughn, and you are watching Venworx. WWDC 26 didn't disappoint when it came to the iPad, which is what I'm going to focus on today. If you want me to see me do an entire breakdown on WWDC 26, just drop a note in the comments. But for me, I was really wanting to see what was going on with the iPads. With the iPadOS 26 update coming down the pipe, Apple is really bringing on a truckload of features for the iPad, and I've got to say I'm really liking what I'm seeing. From a total redesign to real multitasking and even new pro-level tools for creators, this update is packed. Let's break it all down. First up, visuals. iPadOS 26 gives the iPad a fresh coat of paint. They will be getting the liquid glass treatment like the other devices. Liquid glass looks very good. I'm really digging the new design, and seeing it live makes me even more happy, as it's just as good as I thought. Of course, they borrowed the design from VisionOS, and it's a home run. With a new time layout on the lock screen, cleaner home screen app icons, and widgets that feel way more integrated. Apps like Apple TV are more content-focused too. It's sleek, it's simple, it's very Apple. One thing I was not expecting was a big discussion on Apple Intelligence, and surprisingly, Apple Intelligence actually took center stage a bit in the conference. Live translations is built in now, and Shortcuts gets a serious brain upgrade. Think natural language plus automation. iPadOS is clearly leaning into the AI assistant future. The live translations is going to be a very cool feature. Not the Doctor Who sci-fi I was looking for with it being supported in the AirPods standalone, but still a very nice addition. And I'm hoping that becomes a thing sooner than later, because then you can have real conversations out on the street with folks. But we'll take what we can get right now, and hopefully that'll be coming out soon. Okay, now the big one, multitasking. This is what we've all been waiting for, and they really delivered. iPadOS 26 introduces a full-on windowing system. Real window apps, resize them, tile them, flick them around. It remembers sizes and positions. You even get Expose to manage open apps. And yes, there now is a menu bar on the iPad. I know, it's finally feeling a little bit more like a laptop. If a laptop had perfect Apple Pencil support and a grab handle in the corner. But seriously, the windowing system looks great and works with both touch and the Magic Keyboard. And what's so great about this is that this update is going to be delivered to all iPads. I'm a mini owner, and I love my little mini, and this is really giving it a huge upgrade. So much so that I might have to redo my long-term review on the iPad. Unfortunately, though, we are going to have to wait until fall for the release, unless you want to install the beta they are pushing out as part of this WWDC. I think I'm going to have to go that route, because I'm really digging on the new liquid glass design. The Files app is supercharged now. You can resize columns, collapse folders, color code them, place images on them for easier reference, and even set default apps like Photoshop or Darkroom for specific files you want to open. And you can drag folders right into the dock now. When you click on them, they fan open, and you can drag stuff right out of it like it's macOS Lite. It's a very nice touch. So this is a really cool little addition. They've brought Preview to the iPad. That's the same app for macOS. Now you can mark up PDFs, annotate images, export to different formats, all with Apple Pencil support, which is very cool because I want to do more with my Apple Pencil on my iPad, and this continues to bring some more cool functionality into that hefty little investment they call the Pencil Pro. Creators, rejoice! For all you audio and video pros out there, you're getting some serious love. iPadOS 26 lets you choose your audio input per app, even web apps. That is an amazing addition. You can do voice isolation anywhere. You can record studio quality vocals directly from AirPods, and you can start-stop video recording with a long press on the AirPods. If you're a podcaster, they now give you local capture, which records your side of the video call in high quality right on the iPad. Once it ends, everyone can upload their own clean audio and video for a super crisp podcast edit. I personally haven't gotten into using my iPad for video content creation, but with these additions, it might be something for me to explore a little bit more. I'll do some testing when it comes out, and I will let you all know my thoughts. And the last bit of cool news for this new release is background task support. iPadOS now supports long-running background tasks, so if you're exporting a video in DaVinci Resolve and jump into another app, no problem. The process keeps running in the background, and you even get a live activity window to show progress. Between multitasking, file management, and new creator tools, along with some AI features, iPadOS 26 really feels like the biggest update to iPad ever. Let me know what you're most excited about in the comments, and if you want to see how it compares to the macOS Sequoia or iOS 18, hit that subscribe. I've got more deep dives coming your way. That's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to drop your comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the new features, or feel free to drop a line on anything you'd like to see me do a video on. And now with that housekeeping out of the way, I will see you all next go round.